Hi friends, I hope all of you are doing good. Today we are going to discuss linear programming problem by simplex method. So here you can see this is a maximization problem and we will apply here simplex method. We will calculate maximum profit. By simplex method we will find out basic variables value x1 and x2's value, and then we will put the value of x1 and x2 in this equation. So let's start simplex method. Step 1 is we will add slack variable in these two equations. Maximize z is equal to 7x1 plus 5x2. First equation is x1 plus 2x2. Second equation is 4x1 plus 3x2. x1 and x2, these are basic variables, so we will add x3, and second slack variable is x4. These are slack variable and we will add. x3 is first slack variable, so we will add this slack variable in first equation plus x3, and second slack variable we will write like this: 0 into x4 is equal to 6. In the same way, this is second equation and we will add second slack variable in second equation. So x3 we have added already there, so we will write 0 into x3 plus second slack variable is x4 is equal to 12. These two slack variables x3 and x4 we will write like this in this equation: x3 plus 0 into x4, because if we multiply 0 in anything we will get 0 only. So now we have added slack variables. Now we will draw simplex table. So the format of simplex table you have to keep in your mind, or you have to learn. Here Cj, I will explain you all elements Cj, and below Cj we will write Bj, here Xb, and here Cb. Now here are four variables in the equations, so we will write x1, x2, x3 and x4. And last we will calculate here Zj minus Cj minus Cj. Now we will start from here xb. Xb are slack variables and we have two slack variables, so we will write here x3 and x4. Cj is the coefficients of x1, x2, x3 and x4, and we will write coefficients from this equation. So x1 coefficient is 7, x2 coefficient is 5, x3 0 and x4 0. 7, 5, 0, 0. Now Bj is the value of slack variables. So x3's value and x4 values we will write in front of x3 and x4. This we need to calculate. How we will calculate? We will assume basic variables value x1 and x2 is equal to 0. Now this value we will put in both equations, here in this and this equation. So first equation is x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 plus 0 into x4. Let's put x1 and x2. If we put here 0, so 0 plus 2 into 0, 0 plus 0 plus 2 into 0, 0 plus x3, and 0 into x4 is 0 is equal to 6. So from first equation we are getting x3's value is 6. In the same way we will put x1 and x2's value 0 in second equation here. So 4 into 0 plus 3 into 0 plus 0 into x3 is 0 and plus x4 is equal to 12. So from second equation we are getting x4 is equal to 4. So these two values we are getting. So bj is the value of slack variables. x3 value we are getting 6 and x4 value we are getting 12. Now CB is the coefficient of slack variables. x3 coefficient is 0. Coefficients we are checking from this equation. So x3 coefficient is 0 and x4 coefficient is also 0. Now we will fill this table. First x1, x2, x3, x4. These are the coefficients of first equation in first equation, and from second equation we will write here coefficients of all variables. So this is the first equation, and here x1 coefficient is 1, x2 coefficient is 2, x3 coefficient is 1, x4 coefficient is 0. From second equation, x1 coefficient is 4, x2 3, x3 0 and x4 1. Now we will calculate Zj minus Cj. So we will calculate the value of Zj from the formula Zj equal to Cb into Xj. So how we will calculate? For first column we will calculate 0 Cb 0 and x1. For first column Cb 0 into 1 plus 0 into 4. So Zj value is equal to 0 into 1, 0 into 1 plus 0 into 4 into 4, which is 0. So for first column Zj's value is we are getting 0. Now we will subtract Cj from Zj. So for first column Cj value is 7. So Zj minus Cj is equal to 0 minus 7, which is minus 7. By this formula we will find out all columns value. For second column, now I am doing directly. For second column 0 into 2, 0 plus 0 into 3, which is also 0. So Zj value we are getting 0 and minus Cj means minus 5. So 0 minus 5 is minus 5. For third column 0 into 1 0 plus 0 into 0 0 and minus 0, which is 0. For fourth column 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0 and minus 0 0. So we have all Zj minus Cz's value minus 7, minus 5, 0 and 0. What we have done till now? We added slack variables in the equations. Then we have calculated value of slack variables x3 and x4, and we make this table simplex table. So this format of the table you have to learn. Cj are the coefficients. From here first equation maximize z, we will write all coefficients x1, x2, x3 and x4. xb slack variables. Bj is the value of slack variables. Cb is the coefficient of slack variables, and here x1, x2, x3, x4 we will write coefficients from these two equations. Then we will calculate Zj minus Cj. So I am repeating this process again. For first column, Zj is equal to 0 into 1 plus 0 into 4 plus these both are 0 minus Cj. Cj for first column is 7. So 0 minus 7 is minus 7. For second column, 0 into 2 plus 0 into 3. So which is 0 minus Cj minus Cj. Cj is for second column is 5. So 0 minus 5 is minus 5. Same way we have calculated for third and fourth column. Now we will find out entering vector. So entering vector is most negative element of Zj minus Cj. So here you can see most negative element is minus 7. So this is the entering vector. Now we will calculate outgoing vector. Formula of calculating outgoing vector is minimum Bj upon entering vector. Let's calculate outgoing vector is minimum Bj upon entering vector. So Bj this and entering vector column is first column. So we will take these two values. Minimum 6 upon 1, 6 upon 1 for first row. And for second row outgoing vector 12 Bj upon entering vector. So entering vector from here, entering vector values is this. For second row entering vector is 4. So 12 by 4. So from here we are getting 3, 6 and 3. In 6 and 3, 3 is the minimum. So outgoing vector we are getting from second row 12 by 4. We will make a box here. Got it? We have calculated entering vector. Entering vector is the most negative element of Zj minus Cj. Now next we will calculate outgoing vector. Outgoing vector formula is minimum Bj upon entering vector. So entering vector is first column. For first row outgoing vector is Bj upon entering vector 6 upon 1. For second row outgoing vector is Bj upon entering vector 12 upon 4. 6 upon 1 and 3 upon 1. 3 is the minimum. So outgoing vector is 3, which we are getting from second row. So we will make a box here. Now we will make a new simplex table, or you can say simplex table number 2. So this is simplex table number 1, and now we will make simplex table number 2. I'm rubbing all this. Format is same for simplex table number 2. Cj, below Cj, Bj, here Xb and here Cb. Format is same, and Cj, coefficients of all variables, is also same, which is from this equation 7500. So first we will write here x1, x2, x3 and x4. 7, 5, 0, 0. Now our outgoing vector from second row. So we will eliminate this row. And what next we have to do? At this place we have to make 1, and upper and lower side we have to make 0. So here only upper side. So we will make here 0 and we will make here 1. And one more thing, entering vector is from first column. So we will write here x4, we will delete and we will write in place of x4 x1. because we are getting our entering vector from first column. Suppose if we are getting entry vector from third column, then in place of x4 we will write here x3, or we are getting entry vector from second column, so in place of x4 we will write here x2. But here we are getting entering vector from first column, so in place of x4 we will write here x1. Now our next step is we will make here of 1 at this place, because we are getting our outgoing vector from this place. Now we can see here 4 number is there. If we will divide this whole row by 4, then we will get 1 there. So let's start. We will start from here. 12 by 4 is 3. 4 by 4 is 1, which we have to make 1. And 3 by 4. Here 0 by 4 is 0. And here 1 by 4. So 1 is there. Now upper side at this place, means at this place we will make 0. So what we will do, this is old table and this is new table. So we will just give a name O1, old row, O1 and O2, old second row. And this is new one, so we will give name N1, new table, and N2. New second table and new second row and new first row N1. So N2 we have, but we need to calculate N1. N1, same variable x3 we will write here. Now we will make here 0. So you can see here N1 we will calculate by O1. Now if we subtract N2 from O1, from here, we will get 0 at this place. You can see here O1, 1 is there, and in N2 at this place 1 is there, so 1 minus 1 is 0. So if we subtract if we subtract N2 from O1, we will get 0, O1 minus N2. O1 at this place, you can see here 6 number is there, and we are subtracting N2 from O1. So at this place 3, 6 minus 3 is 3. Now at this place O1, 1 is there, and we are subtracting N2 means 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. This exactly we were trying to calculate. Here 1 and upper and lower side 0. Now O1 here at this place 2, and in N2 3 by 4. So 2 minus 3 by 4 is 5 by 4. Now x3, here 1 and here 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. x4 0, and here 1 by 4. So 0 minus 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 4. CB is the coefficients of x3 and x1, which we will take from this equation. x3 coefficient is 0 and x1 coefficient is 7. Understood? I am repeating this process again. Format is same for simplex table number 2. Cj is the coefficients of x1, x2, x3, x4, which we will take from this equation. Now next, what we will do, outgoing vector we are getting from the second row. So we will eliminate this row, and entering vector we are getting from first column. So we will write here x1. We will replace x4 and we will write here x1. So x1 we have written here. Now at this place we need to make 1. So if we divide this whole row by 4, we will get 1 here. So we have divided whole row by 4. Now upper and lower side at this place, or suppose third row is there, so upper and lower side we need to make 0. Now N1 we need to calculate. N1 we will calculate from O1 only, old table, old row only. N1 is equal to O1. So if we subtract this N2 from O1, we will get 0 here. So we have done this calculation. Now our next step is same. We will calculate Zj minus Cj. Let's start. Zj minus Cj. Formula to calculate Zj minus Cj is same. Zj is equal to Cb into Xj. So Zj value for the first column is 0 into 0 plus 7 into 1. I am writing here. 0 into 0 which is 0 plus 7 into 1 which is 1. Zj. So for first column Zj value we are getting 7. Now we will calculate Zj minus Cj. We will subtract this Cj. So for first column Cj value is 7. 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 which is 0. So for first column Zj minus Cj value is 0. For second column 0 into 5 by 4 is 0 plus 7 into 3 by 4. This we will calculate. For second column Zj 0 into 5 by 4 is 0 plus 7 into 3 by 4 is 21 by 4. Zj value for second column is 21 by 4 and we will subtract Cj from Zj. Means Cj for second column is 5. So this 5 we will minus from Zj. Let's calculate for 21 minus 20. We are getting 1 by 4. So here for second column Zj minus Cj is 1 by 4. For third column 0 into 1 is 0 plus 7 into 0 is 0 minus Cj is also 0. So 0 only we are getting here. And for last column 0 into minus 1 by 4 is 0 plus 7 into 1 by 4 which is 7 by 4 minus 0. Cj is 0 for fourth column. So we are getting 7 by 4 only here. Now we can see here we have all positive values of Zj minus Cj. It means we will get our solution from this table only. Zj minus Cj's value should be greater and equal to 0. Here Zj minus Cj value should be greater and equal to 0, which we have in this table. It means we will find out our solution from this table only. How we will see how many variables are here. X3 is select variable and X1 is basic variables. We need to calculate value of basic variables. We can see X1 value is 3. So we have X1 equal to 3. But X2 is not in the table. X2 which is not in the table. So we will take X2 value 0. Now we will put the value of these two variables in this equation. Maximize Z is equal to 7 into X1. 7 into X1 value we have 3 plus 5 into X2 value we have 0, which is 21. This is our optimal solution. This is our maximum profit. I hope this video is helpful to you guys, and in my next video I will discuss same problem in detail. So bye bye.